Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video let's learn about how to change a team owner in Canva. So let's get started. At first let's get into Canva app. So here it is. Now in the top left corner we can see this 3-line icon over here. So let's tap on this. Now click on your profile with the team you want. So let's tap on this and click on your account setting and click on team details over here. And here we can see this option of changing your owner. So let's tap on this and here you can search for your team member. Here I have got only one member so I can't change it, but if you have more members you can simply search for the member you want to add and click on continue. Once you have done that, your team owner will be changed. So this is how you can change team owner in Canva. I hope you like the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.